Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, this is for you Hirono fans because we're going to unbox a lot of Hirono figures and the newest release of Hirono, which is the Road Journal plush pendant and the limited series or limited collection of Floating Market. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So before we begin, let me start with the freebie that I received from these purchases. So we got a Pino Jelly Hard and Shiny as a freebie. If you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed some of the figures from this lineup, which is the January, February the Mamba, I got the April Bridegroom, May the King, July the Queen. Also, I got my birth month, which is November Actor. So let's see if we are able to get a figure which is not duplicate from what I have, or if we are lucky enough to get either of these secrets. So I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part, and if this one will be a duplicate, we're not going to open the foil, and I'm going to put this on my online shop. So let's see. Let me get the cutter for you, and let me open this one at the bottom part. Okay, let me show you the art card for our freebie. Where's the art card? Okay, let me show you first the foil. So this is the foil. Pino Jelly foil, branding of Pino Jelly, very nice one. And this is the art card. The freebie that we had is 1, 2, 3. Oh, the making. I have this one already, so I'm not going to open the foil. Just watch my previous vlog, and let's proceed now with our Hirono collection. Let's proceed now with our Hirono box from the Reshape figures or Reshape series. I only got two because these series are not available now in the market. So fortunate enough to get only two boxes. So let me show you the lineup. We got 9 confirmed figures here and 1 secret. And I believe the secret is the puppet. And from this lineup, I wanna get, of course, Fading, because Fading is one of the chase from this collection. I want to get the Voyage, of course. And I'm curious with Burst. So let's see. I'm not sure which one is heavier. Oh, they have the same weight. This one is much heavier. Let me start with the lighter one. So if you are Hirono fans, guys, give me a comment down below. I might shout out you on my next vlog. So let's proceed now with unboxing with our first figure. So this is the packaging of Reshape series. I'm just, maybe I found this one very pale color. It's gray. It's like a gravel wood or gravel pathway. And this is the words written here. We all reshape ourselves unconsciously. Very nice thought. So let me show you now our first figure. 1, 2, 3. Oh, who's this guy? Let me show you the art card. We have this inclusion. I believe that's the stand. And this is the art card. Oh, we got Parasite. That's why, because there's a lot of mushroom poking on Hirono here. But let me show you how intricate the details of Hirono here. He looks like a composted figure, like he's wearing this oversized blue shirt, and I believe Hirono is injured here from his, I guess this is right foot, and on his left hands, and there are some mushroom growing on her body and on her head. Surprisingly, the eyes of Hirono here is not an eye chip. It looks like the finishing of this one looks a wooden finish, but it's a PVC. There's some bandage off on his head, just like on my hands. Let me show you. Forgive my hands because I got some burns. That's why I got some bandage, just like Hirono now. Very coincident. Yeah, I actually like this one. Let me put the stand so that we can appreciate him properly. And he looks like standing on this soil, brown soil. Look, actually, it's very interesting figure. It's so nice. So what can you say about Parasite of Hirono, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our second box of Hirono Reshape. So we got the Parasite. So, I really want to see Fading and Voyage. So let's see. Our second figure. Oops, so hard to open this one. So much glue. Oops, I destroyed the box. Our second figure. This one's so small. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, I guess this is the costume. This is the art card of costume. I really like the art card. It's like a finish of leather, brown leather. Just like what Hirono's wearing here. He's wearing this brown leather oversized jacket. I believe he's like a mannequin here with this golden stand. Oh, surprisingly at the back. So I guess Hirono here is not a real person, but it's just a mannequin, and the head of the mannequin is a red balloon, and they just put the mask of Hirono here with the gray hair. I like the eyes of Hirono here. It's black eye chip, a typical blush and freckles of Hirono on the face. There is some tag of the clothes. I guess they are selling this one, and Hirono is the model. This one is so interesting, very nice. I actually like this one surprisingly. Very cool figure. So what can you say about costume of Hirono Reshape, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with another two boxes of Hirono. This is the Echo series. If you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed a full set of Hirono Echo. So I'm trying to get, or actually to find or hunt a secret. But then again, guys, I purchased this one because this is a bundle from the Hirono Road Journal plush pendant. So I bought this bundle. You have to buy this one you have to buy this one to be able to buy this Road Journal plush pendant. So I got two bundles. Then suddenly, it became available, and that's why I got another one. That's why I have three plush pendant to unbox now in a different platform. So purchase platform or online platform. So we might get a duplicate. So let's expect that one. So let me start with the Hirono Echo first. So then again, the full set of Hirono Echo. Let me give you some start that one is not mine. I actually mentioned that in my video or vlog because that one was purchased by one of my customers, the full set. He just gave me the permission to unbox the full set. But now I'm starting to collect the Hirono Echo series, and I started with this one. So we have the what's the name of this? Breaking Out Plan. So I hope we won't get a duplicate of Breaking Out. So let's see, and let me start now unboxing this one at the bottom part. And I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part of the box. And let me show you the art card first before showing you the actual figure. So this is the first Echo now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, I like this one, the Knight. I don't have this one yet, and I believe this is one of the chase from this series. Okay, this is the foil, and this is the inclusion. This is the foil and the packaging of Hirono Echo series. So, one, two, three. Oh, look how beautiful! I actually this is one of my favorites from this series because it reminds me of my childhood riding on a wooden horse, but the horse is just the head only, and there's some wheels on the bottom. And I used to wear a bucket hat like this. This one is so nice. There's a branding of Hirono, but if you're in the Philippines, you can see there's an Orocan branding here. And Hirono is wearing this blue shirt. Let me put the. I guess this is like from the. What you call that one? I forgot the uh, weapon. So you have to put this one at the back of Hirono. Giddy up. Yeah, we used to say the giddy up. Now I remember this is the bow and arrow. So this is the arrow from the bow. I guess Hirono is playing with her playmate with his playmates, and um, he was shot by the arrow. I guess this is like a. It's not an actual arrow, but there's some like a rubber arrow. Yeah. Anyway, good thing it's not a duplicate. I actually like this one, The Night of Echo Hirono. If you like this one as well, please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next Hirono Echo, and I'm going to unbox this one again at the bottom part because I'm afraid to get a duplicate. We have two now. So I'm going to put this one here so that you have an idea what Breakout Plan looks like. I hope it's not a duplicate. This is the four. Oops. So let me show you the art card. One, two, three. What the heck? It's a duplicate. Guys, we got tonight. Told you. We're going to get a duplicate. So I'm not gonna unbox this one. Put this one on my online shop. You can visit my online shop, guys, to get this. So, yeah. So far, we have this one. And let's proceed now with our plush pendant. Let's proceed now with our Road Journal plush pendant of Hirono. Then again, I got these three boxes from a different platform. So, as what we have a duplicate from the Echo series as a bundle, I'm expecting to get a duplicate also from these three boxes. But let me unbox the first one. And I'm going to show you the figure for the first plush. And for the succeeding plush, I'm going to show first the art card because I'm afraid I might get a duplicate. So, yeah, let me show you first the lineup. By the way, guys, I really like the packaging of the Road Journal series of Hirono Plush Pendant. Look how beautiful this one. It's gray and black and white. It's very premium looking. So, this is the lineup from this series. The Into Fog While, Lost in the Night, Frostfall Hour, Grey Gravel, City Dust Afloat, and Woven Woods. From this lineup, I really wanna get Lost in the Night, also the City Dust Afloat, and Frostfall Hour. And of course, if we are able to get a secret. So let's see. Oh, I almost see the art card. Okay. So this is the foil. It shows here Road 0427. Actually, the foil looks like a striped jeans. And this is the front. Very nice packaging, guys. I really like the branding. So let's see. Our first splash. Are you excited as I am? Oops, I almost moved my camera. So one, two, three. Oh! What we have here? Okay. Oh, let me show you the art card. Ah, Into Fog Wild. This one is so cute. Let me set aside the box first. And let me show you Into Fog Wild of Hirono. Wow, surprisingly, the pendant ring is not that long, so it won't wiggle that much. I really like the ring, it's black. And the pendant, that you can hang your ring is like a tattered jeans. It's so sturdy. I really like the quality of this one. There's a tag of Hirono at the back. The fur is so fluffy. The ears of the, I guess this is a koala bear, I believe. The ear of Hirono here has this pigeon stitching. It's like he is injured as well. So Hirono here has this, I guess it's red orange hair or brown, I guess. So this is the eyes of the bear. Look, brown eyes with the other button of the pigeon. Yeah, And you can twist the arms, by the way, like this. And the feet, not much. I'm not sure if he can stand properly. You can twist the head. Well, I can say I thought this will be my favorite, but let's see if you like this Into Fagwile of Hirono. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our second box. This one's quite heavy. So, for this box, I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part and let me show you the art card first because I'm afraid we might get a duplicate. Oh, the art card is on the top. Bottom. I'm sorry. So, let's see. Our second Flash Panda. 1, 2, 3. Frostfall Hour. Okay, so it's not a duplicate, right? Yeah, I guess this one of my chase or my favorite. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. I told you this one is much better. Look, this one is so cute. It's like a brown fur with some touch of white. And you can twist the hands. The paws are gray. Oh yeah, they have the same face actually. No, the eyes of Frostfall is black, but the hair is the same. And there's some writing here from the bandage. Take the wing. I will take the wings. I guess. And the ring pendant is brown, and the bandage is white and black, or maybe this one is cream. I actually like this one better than the other. Look, this one is so beautiful and much more soft, fluffy. Very nice. So what can you say about Frostfall Hour, guys? You will definitely like this. And please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our third box. So let me give you a recap from this series. We got the Frostfall and Into Fagwile. So I want to get the darker Huron. I really want to get lost in the night now and City Dust afloat. Or Woven. Don't give me Gravel because they all look gray now. So let's see. Or give me the secret. Please, another secret. Another secret, please. I'll carefully opening this one. Oops. Oh, the art card. Let me show you first. Where? Okay, this is the foil. If this one is a duplicate, we're not gonna unbox it. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, Woven Woods! I guess this is the top chase from this lineup. So we're going to. Are we going to unbox this one or not? We are going to unbox this one for you guys. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. That's why this one is one of the top favorites from the series. Because of the finishing of this one, it reminds me of the potato sack that they use for the fabric. And the finishing is so quality. The stitching are so nice. I actually like this one. He's the only have the white hair. The pendant is brown. This one is beautiful actually, guys. Beautiful and adorable. And the eyes of Hirono is maroon, red wine. I like the design of the patches. I guess this is the house. I'm not sure if this is a dove as well. The stars. This is a pine tree. This is like a star as well. Fight for joy. I guess this is like a star constellations. Very nice. That's why this is one of the top favorites from this lineup. And I actually like this one. You can really see the burr. The burr face here. Look. This one is so beautiful and adorable and cute at the same time. So, what can you say about Woven Woods, guys? You will definitely like this one as well. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our blister pack. So, this one, I wanna keep the blister pack in a nice condition because, you know, sooner or later, a new owner will be happy because we keep the pack in a good condition. But this one is a very hard blister pack to unpack because of the glues. We might destroy the box actually. So, give me some time unboxing this one. And actually, this is the collaboration of Hirono to Gary Baseman. So, I'm not sure why this one is not, you know, not top favorites from the collection of Hironos. But I found this one very artistic. And it's so hard to remove this one. Let me give me some time to unpack this one and we will return. Guys, don't hate me on this because I destroyed the background blister pack. There are so much glue in here. I don't know why. You know, I actually like the new packaging of the blisters, like where you can just pull it up and the background and the artwork still good. But yeah, I'm really sorry about this. So let me show you my Gary Baseman. Then, by the way, actually, this is our collection, so it's okay. I'm gonna find something or some artist who's making a art card for such figures. So, guys, this is my first time to see Gary Baseman. He has this chair stools, brown small stool, and I guess this is Gary Baseman character look. I guess the reason why this one is uh not one of the favorites from some because they found this Gary's Basement very creepy because of the looks. But if you can see here, Hirono is really cute and adorable. Like this is the doll of Hirono trying to play with Gary Basement. I like the outfit of Hirono here. This is the back part, and surprisingly, he has this white hair as well and black eyes. I actually like the color combination of this figure. Very nice one. And you will definitely like this one, except from the destroyed blister pack. Then again, I'll find something that can match with the figure for the art card. So, what can you say about Gary Baseman, guys? You really like this figure as well? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with the newest release and limited collection of Hirono, which is the floating market. I believe they released this first in Bangkok, Thailand. So I'm able to get this one. So let's see. This is the back part. Then again, the blister pack. I'm so afraid that we might destroy this one. So I'm gonna carefully remove this and I'm gonna go back for the figure. So guys, we freed Hirono from the blister pack and I'll be honest with you, it's really, really hard to keep the box intact. But yeah, I managed to get this one. Just a few, you know, things to fix on this one so that we can still keep Hirono on the hang card. But let me show you the background of this one. It reminds me of the floating market in Bangkok, Thailand. So this is the theme actually. So it's nice, very nice packaging, very nice background. It looks like the the toy or the friend, the dinosaur of Hirono is invading the floating market in Bangkok. So let me show you how beautiful this figure and remove him from the blister pack. There's an inclusion of like a warning or what do you what can you what is this one? Like a manual how to use this. So this is Hirono riding in a boat, like a wooden boat. And this one is actually lights up. It reminds me of those vendors in a floating market, and Hirono is one of them. Look how beautiful the details here. The straw hat of Hirono. He's very simple. He's holding or carrying this Chinese lantern, white Chinese lantern that I believe this is the one that lights up. He's riding or sailing together with his friends, the green dino, and his brown teddy bear. Look how intricate the details of the wooden boat. Very nice one. And at the back of Hirono's shirt, it mentions here Hirono Floating Market. Also, uh, on the lantern. So let me show you now how it lights up and remove this one. This is the part where you're going to on the light. There's a branding of Pop Mart here. And let's see if this one really lights up. One, two, three. Let me cover it first, like this. Oops, not yet. One, two, three. Yeah, look. This one is so cool and beautiful. Look, it really lights up the lantern. Very nice. This one is actually will definitely be a rare piece sooner or later because the beauty of this figure, it's very intricate details. It's a limited edition. You will definitely like this one as I do because the lantern really lights up. Very cool one. So what can you say about this figure, guys? You will definitely like this one and definitely get one if you have a chance to buy this figure. So what can you say about floating market of Hirono, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog for our Hirono collection. And I'm so happy to unbox some limited edition or limited series, especially the newest release of Pop Mart, which is the plush pendant of Road Journal. So guys, from the figures that we unboxed for today, my top favorites, of course, the Hirono Floating Market from the figures, and of course, the Wooden Woods. I actually like this one as well. I guess this is the Frostfall Hour. So these are my top three favorites. And yeah, this one is cute. This one is cute. All of them are cute actually and are so adorable. If you have other favorites other than mine, you are free to comment down below. And I hope you had fun watching this vlog. And if you do, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscriber. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!